up, rock stars? It's me, Mizz KT. Welcome back to our hip-hop adventure. So, we've heard and called out our star sound, I. We still need to find it. Will you help me? Oh, great. Let's rock!
Rockin' and reading with Mizz KT.
This looks like part of the lyrics to Is hit song. I. Will you help me read the lyrics? Yes. Okay. Ooh. Help me break this sound down. Yeah? Okay. Tim is a kid. Tim is a kid. Like you. Okay. He has a kit. A drum kit. Can you play the drum? Whoa. Oh, that was great air drumming. Okay, let's keep reading. He likes to He likes to hit. Hit what? Hit his kit. Of course, he likes to hit his kit, his drum kit. Rockstar reading. So, who is this story about?
Hi.
Tim. That's right. Tim, who's a kid. That's right. And what does Tim have? Yes, you're right. A drum kit. A drum kit. And what does he do with the drum kit? He sits on it. He hits his kit. Oh my goodness, I am so glad that you all are here. Oh no, we still haven't found it. Maybe we should check the green room and see if its sound friends know where it is. Come on, let's go.
Tune in next time to see what happens on
Rockin' and Reading with Mizz KT.
Like and subscribe.